Hey guys, today I'm gonna make some baked chili cheese fries. So let's get toasting. I've got 4 russet potatoes here that I washed. These aren't very big, but I'll show you how I cut them real quick. I just go in half like that, then turn it on the side, go down the middle like that, and then, just 2 or 3 cuts on each side, just like that. And then sometimes they have a few bad spots like that you may have to cut out. So I'll just do the rest of these and we'll get them into the pan. I'm using this 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. It fits perfectly in my toaster oven. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil to these. But you could use any kind of oil that you have or you like. So a little bit of that, keep it from sticking to the pan. And then a little bit of salt. And a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And we'll kind of get this all mixed together. And then we will get it into the toaster oven. And once the fries are cooked, then I'll add the chili to the top at the end. I made this for dinner last night, so I have half a can opened right there. I'll probably just use that. And I have an extra can just in case that's not enough. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let you guys know how long that takes. These were in the oven for 35 minutes and I just pulled them out. They look good, so I had my chili here. I think maybe this half a can should be enough. That's what I used last night. Like I said, this is pretty good chili. This kind has beans, but you can use whatever kind of chili you like. That can there has no beans. I use that sometimes. Alright. That looks pretty good. Kind of spread that out a little bit. And then I will sprinkle some cheese over the top here of everything. And we'll get it back into the oven until the beans warm up and the cheese melts. It's been about 5 minutes since I put those in there. Let's see how they look. I think that looks good. Alright, let's see how these turned out. I put a little green onion on top for some color. Plus I like green onion. Fries on the edge got pretty crispy, but I like them that way. I like crispy fries. So just grab a bite of this. Looks pretty hot, but it looks pretty good. So here we go. Hot, but it's good. Annie looks a little tired today. What's the matter, Annie? You tired? Want to try a chili cheese fry? Well, she liked it, I think, but she looks a little sleepy. So there's another one to help you guys stay out of the drive-thrus. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.